Okay. Other neighbor there. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. And it's so beautiful, the backyard. And I am doing an outfit of the day just to feel, feel it. And for no reason, for no excuse. So I was trying to find an excuse for a new series that is a travel outfit. So when we travel, we want something light, simple, functional, and easy. And I think this one quite a fit into that category. And it's made of cotton, so it's very breathable and very comfortable. And the shape is relatively loose and casual, so you do not need to worry too much about the wrinkles and the folds. And it's lightweight, and there is pocket, and it's long enough, and you can make it short sleeve, long sleeve. Perfect. I love this one. I have been to San Diego with it when it is cold. When it was cold, I wear it. When it was hot, it's still very comfortable. Okay, now let's take a look of it. I think this is, this is under the sunshine, and it's very comfortable. And there's a pocket. So when you travel, you can put some boarding pass or something, just simple, easy. Does not have to be anything heavy and complicated. That pocket, I love the pocket. Maybe we should raise up a little bit. I think this is good. When it is hot, you raise it up. There is a fluffy here, and when it is cold, you pull it down. It's very comfortable. Try change the angle a little bit this way. This way should be good. That's it.